Welcome, Grade 12 scholars, to the International Online School. Today, we are excited to delve into Chapter 16 of our chemistry course, Hydrocarbons, meticulously designed according to the Federal Board of Pakistan's curriculum and standards. Let's begin with chemistry. Let's dive into Chapter 16, Hydrocarbons, an essential aspect of chemical studies. In this overview, we dive into classification of hydrocarbons, nomenclature of alkanes and cycloalkanes, shapes of alkanes and cycloalkanes, unreactive nature of alkanes, fission and free radical reactions, free radical substitution in alkanes, organic redox reactions, chiral centers and optical isomerism, identifying chiral centers, nomenclature of alkenes, shape of ethene molecule, structure and reactivity of alkenes, isomerism, structural, stereoisomerism, dehydration and dehydrohalogenation for ethene preparation, chemistry of alkenes, reactions of ethene, conjugation in alkenes, UPAC naming system for alkenes, shape of benzene molecule, molecular orbital aspect, resonance energy, and relative stability, reactivity comparison of benzene with alkanes and alkenes, delocalized electrons in benzene ring, addition reactions of benzene and methylbenzene, mechanism of electrophilic substitution in benzene, chemistry of benzene and methyl, benzene nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and acylation, substituent positions in electrophilic substitution of benzene, UPAC naming system for alkynes, reactivity comparison of alkynes with alkanes, alkenes, and arenes, shape of alkynes, preparation of alkynes using elimination reactions, acidity of alkynes, chemistry of alkynes, hydrogenation, hydrohalogenation, hydration, bromination, ozonolysis, and reaction with metals, substitution, and addition reactions, isomerism in alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and substituted benzene. Let's explore each of these points covered in this chapter. We'll begin with the classification of hydrocarbons. This lesson introduces students to the classification of hydrocarbons as aliphatic and aromatic. Understanding this classification sets the stage for exploring the diverse nature of these carbon and hydrogen-containing compounds. Next, you'll explore the nomenclature of alkanes and cycloalkanes. Students will delve into the nomenclature of alkanes and cycloalkanes. Understanding the systematic naming of hydrocarbons is crucial for effective communication in organic chemistry. We then move on to the shapes of alkanes and cycloalkanes. Building on nomenclature, this lesson focuses on explaining the shapes of alkanes and cycloalkanes, using examples like ethane and cyclopropane. Students will apply their knowledge to understand the spatial arrangements of carbon atoms in these molecules. Following that, we'll discuss the unreactive nature of alkenes. Students will explore the unreactive nature of alkenes towards polar reagents. Understanding the limited reactivity of saturated hydrocarbons is essential for predicting their behavior in chemical reactions. In the lesson on fission and free radical reactions, students will learn about homolytic and heterolytic fission, as well as the concepts of free radical initiation, propagation, and termination. These fundamental concepts are crucial for understanding reaction mechanisms. You'll then develop knowledge about free radical substitution in alkanes. Students will understand the mechanism of free radical substitution in alkanes, using methane and ethane as examples. This lesson provides insights into how hydrocarbons undergo substitution reactions in the presence of free radicals. Next, you'll learn about organic redox reactions. In this lesson, students will identify organic redox reactions, understanding how hydrocarbons can participate in oxidation-reduction reactions. This knowledge is essential for recognizing the diverse reactivity of hydrocarbons. Following that, you'll explore chiral centers and optical isomerism. Students will learn about chiral centers and optical isomerism, including how a chiral center gives rise to optical isomerism, introducing the stereochemistry of hydrocarbons. Building on the previous lesson, you learn about identifying chiral centers. Students will apply their understanding to identify chiral centers in the structural formula of a molecule. This lesson involves analyzing the spatial arrangement of atoms to determine chirality. Next, you'll learn the nomenclature of alkenes. This lesson covers the systematic naming conventions for unsaturated hydrocarbons, particularly those containing double bonds. You'll then explore the shape of the ethene molecule. This lesson explains the shape of the ethene molecule in terms of sigma and pi C to C bonds, helping students understand the role of these bonds in determining the geometry of ethene. Following that, you'll learn about the structure and reactivity of alkenes. Using ethene as an example, students will describe the structure and reactivity of alkenes, exploring the characteristics of unsaturated hydrocarbons and their behavior in chemical reactions. Next, you'll explore isomerism, structural and stereoisomerism. In this lesson, students will recall and define isomerism, stereoisomerism, and structural isomerism, using suitable examples to explain the distinctions between these types of isomerism. Then, you'll learn about the dehydration and dehydrohalogenation for ethene preparation. Students will understand the processes of dehydration of alcohols and dehydrohalogenation of RX for the preparation of ethene, exploring the synthesis of ethene from different starting materials. In the lesson on the chemistry of alkenes reactions of ethene, students will cover various reactions of ethene, including hydrogenation, hydrohalogenation, hydration, halogenation, halohydration, epoxidation, ozonolysis, and polymerization, gaining an understanding of the diverse chemical transformations that alkenes undergo. You'll also learn about conjugation in alkenes. Students will explore the concept of conjugation in alkenes with alternate double bonds, explaining how the arrangement of double bonds influences the electronic structure and reactivity of these molecules. Next, you'll learn about the IUPAC naming system for alkenes. This lesson focuses on the application of the IUPAC naming system for alkenes, helping students learn the systematic rules for naming unsaturated hydrocarbons. You'll then delve into the shape of the benzene molecule, molecular orbital aspect. Students will understand the shape of the benzene molecule from a molecular orbital perspective, explaining the unique electronic structure of benzene and its planar geometry. Following that, you'll explore resonance, resonance energy, and relative stability. Students will define resonance, resonance energy, and relative stability, using examples to understand how resonance contributes to the stability of certain molecules and ions. Next, you'll learn about the reactivity comparison of benzene with alkenes and alkenes. Students will compare the reactivity of benzene with alkenes and alkenes, gaining insights into the unique stability and reactivity patterns exhibited by aromatic compounds. You'll also explore the delocalized electrons in the benzene ring. This lesson describes the concept of delocalized electrons in the context of the benzene ring, helping students understand how the sharing of electrons across the benzene structure contributes to its stability and reactivity. Following that, you'll learn about the addition reactions of benzene and methylbenzene. Students will describe the addition reactions of benzene and methylbenzene, exploring how new atoms or groups are added to the benzene ring and its methylated derivative. You'll then delve into the mechanism of electrophilic substitution in benzene. Students will understand the mechanism of electrophilic substitution in benzene, providing insights into how benzene reacts with electrophiles. Next, you'll explore the chemistry of benzene and methylbenzene nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and acylation. This lesson discusses key reactions of benzene and methylbenzene, helping students understand the diverse reactions these aromatic compounds undergo. You'll also learn about substituent positions in electrophilic substitution of benzene. Students will apply their knowledge of substituent positions in electrophilic substitution of benzene, understanding the directing effects of substituents on the benzene ring. Next, you'll learn about the IUPAC naming system for alkynes. This lesson focuses on applying the IUPAC naming system for alkynes, helping students learn the systematic rules for naming these unsaturated hydrocarbons with a triple bond. Following that, you'll explore the reactivity comparison of alkynes with alkanes, alkenes, and arenes. Students will compare the reactivity of alkynes with alkanes, alkenes, and arenes, gaining insights into the unique properties and reactivity patterns of alkynes. You'll also delve into the shape of alkynes. This lesson discusses the shape of alkynes in terms of sigma and pi C to C bonds, helping students visualize and comprehend the three-dimensional structure of alkynes with a triple bond. Next, you'll learn about the preparation of alkynes using elimination reactions. Students will describe the preparation of alkynes using elimination reactions, exploring the methods by which alkynes can be synthesized. You'll then explore the acidity of alkynes. Students will describe the acidity of alkynes, understanding their acidic nature and predicting their reactivity in various chemical reactions. Following that, you'll learn about the chemistry of alkynes: hydrogenation, hydrohalogenation, hydration, bromination, ozonolysis, and reaction with metals. This lesson covers the chemistry of alkynes, helping students understand how alkynes react with different reagents. Next, you'll explore substitution and addition reactions. Students will describe and differentiate between substitution and addition reactions, understanding the mechanisms and outcomes of these reactions in alkynes. Finally, you'll learn about isomerism in alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and substituted benzene. This lesson explains isomerism in various hydrocarbons and substituted benzene, helping students understand structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. With recorded lessons to go back to, easy-to-read notes, quizzes, practice tests to get you exam ready, online sessions with instructors, question forums, and live support from the International Online School team will make sure you're well prepared. Completing this course means not just achieving good grades, but excelling and aiming for A+ results. Your dedication and hard work will pave the way for success. So, let's begin with Chapter 16 and embark on this enriching journey of chemistry, crafted to ensure your success at the International Online School.